Hey guys, welcome back to Furniture Flipping Teacher. It's Lauren here, and this video is going to be completely different than anything we've ever done on the FFT channel. We are going to do a guest room makeover. As you guys know, Neiman and I recently moved into a new house, well, not new at all actually, but new to us home, and our landlord is super open to us doing any renovations or remodeling that we feel that we want to do. We're gonna get started by basically removing everything that is in here, and we are going to start covering up this ugly color paneling. We are going to be actually covering it up with white paint that I just got from Sherwin. You guys, I am finished priming in here, so it's looking good. We're gonna get started. I'm gonna pour some ceiling paint and turn some music on, and I'm gonna get to painting the ceiling. Ceiling is all done, and you guys, I'm so glad I decided to do that because it is looking just 20 times better. We are ready to put the first coat of regular paint onto the walls today, so that's what I'm going to be doing right now. All right, I'm finished up with coat number 1 of the regular paint, and now we're going to be moving on to phase 2, if you will, of painting, and that is going to be painting this door right here because it's pretty dirty, and I think that it will just be much better if I paint it in a darker color. Okay, first coat's done on the door. On this wall that's kind of protruding from the rest of the walls, I decided that I am going to accent that with some wallpaper, and I actually picked this up at Target. It is Opal House. We are finished with the wallpaper. It's time to put the bed together. And we actually had to buy a separate platform bed frame because our box spring doesn't fit upstairs. It's a very narrow staircase and there's a doorway down there. And when our movers were helping us move and we wanted to put the bed up here, there's no box spring up here because it won't fit. Not the most ideal, but we've got to get a bed up here, and I really don't want it to be on the floor. So let's put the bed together. Okay, bed skirt on, let's grab the mattress. And for the bed, hold on. Okay. want to thank Birch Living for sponsoring this video. They have provided the most important part of this bedroom makeover, which is the actual bed. And so we are going to be using the Birch Luxe mattress in this guest room. Birch is a premium mattress in a box company that makes mattresses and sleep products that are stylish, comfortable, and environmentally conscious. Birch recently introduced the Birch Luxe Natural Mattress, an upgrade to their original well-loved Birch mattress. It takes comfort, luxury, and safety to the next level. With 8 different layers, the Luxe was specially created with breathability and support in mind. Neiman's mom has actually been sleeping here on this bed for a couple of nights now, and she is just talking about how amazing it is, how cool it makes her feel at night, how supportive it is, and also that she's sleeping a lot better on this brand new mattress. It was super cool to have this come in a box and then us open it, and then it just came to life as we pulled that plastic off. I'm gonna go ahead and make the bed, make it all look pretty, and then we've got some finishing touches of the room and we'll be complete. With your Birch mattress, you get a 100-night sleep trial along with a 25-year warranty. The best part of all is that Birch delivers your mattress right to your front door with free delivery in the US. We are loving our new Birch Luxe mattress, and I think you guys will too. So if you're looking for a new bed, check out Birch. You can click on the link below or go to birchliving.com/flipping for $400 off your mattress plus 2 free pillows. So I chose to do yellow as just a little pop of color in here because it's just gray and white. So in my opinion, definitely needs an accent in here. And I've also got a couple other yellow things as well. Now we've just got a couple more finishing touches here. I'm gonna be hanging some stuff on the wall. And then last but not least, we're gonna be replacing the light fixture as well. And thanks again to Birch for sponsoring this video. Let's finish this baby out. Got the lamp installed up here. My dad helped me. We did shut off all the electricity, so no worries there, but it's looking a lot better than the previous light that was up there. And then we also went ahead and replaced the light switch here and the cover so that matches better. This was black at first, so definitely wanted to get that to be white. And then down here, we also replaced the actual outlet, and it has 3 plugs now, and then also made it white and a gray outlet cover. Now we are on the home stretch here of the finishing touches. We're gonna add in a little bit of decor, and then we're gonna call this baby done. What a makeover, you guys. This was my very first room makeover style, such as a bedroom, and I really had a lot of fun from the design aspect to just having that vision in your head. It was a little bit challenging at times because from where we came from to where we are now is just a complete 180 difference. And all of this was done for under $1,000. This whole transformation was just incredible and for a pretty small price at that. So I'm super excited. This just gets me really pumped for when Neiman and I get our own house and we're able to just do this in every room and then upscale the looks of everything. You guys, if you have rooms that are just a little bit drab and bland, think about how you can upscale that. It doesn't have to be super dramatic. Even just painting the walls in here brightened up the atmosphere and then given some accent colors, the gray, a little bit of yellow, and then it just brightens this room up so much. So just think about what you can do for your rooms in your house. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a super fun one for me. So if you want to see more room makeovers like this, definitely let me know down in the comments and give us a thumbs up, because every once in a while we may throw in a room makeover like this, maybe even a bathroom makeover, another kitchen makeover. Who knows what we've got up our sleeve. You guys will just have to get subscribed to find out. Thank you guys so much for watching. And again, we want to thank Birch for sponsoring this video. This very comfy bed is going to get put to great use when we have guests over. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you on the flip side.